Want to know how to install Dola AI on your phone, your Android or your iPhone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily in just under a minute. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Play Store or your App Store application. So you can also download it from the Dola AI web browser itself by selecting the quick link or the QR. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it just through the App Store. So you can just simply open it up, and once you have opened it up, on the bottom you should be seeing search bar right here. Just simply select search and search up for Dola AI. So once Dola AI pops up, here you should be seeing Dola AI right here. If it's not here, you can just simply hit towards Dola AI, and right here you can just simply select install. And then once that is done, your Dola AI should be installed easily. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.